If there's one brand that knows how to make big promises and actually deliver on them, it's Hymer. With the new ModernComfort I B-Class motorhome, they're aiming straight for the top, talking about exquisite design, smart and forward-thinking tech, and comfort with zero compromises. And honestly, this thing really does feel like the very best of European RV living wrapped up in one very polished package. Hymer has built its reputation on doing clever things in the compact and van life space, but when it comes to premium motorhomes, that's where they really shine. The ModernComfort I sits right in that high-end sweet spot. For the 2026 model year, the lineup includes two floor plans, the 600 and the 680, with the 680 being the fresh edition. You can have it either as a semi-integrated model or as a fully integrated Class A-style motorhome, and both start from a well-equipped base that you can then personalize as much as your budget allows. Underneath it all is a Mercedes chassis, coming standard with 140 horsepower and a smooth 9-speed automatic, with the option to bump that up to 170 horsepower if you want a little more punch. Thanks to Hymer's SLC Superlight chassis, it can be configured at 3,500 kilograms, which means in many markets it can be driven on a standard license. If you need more payload, there are heavier options at 3,800 or even 4,500 kilograms, though those will require the right license. The BMC-I 680 measures just over 7.3 meters in length and sleeps 4 people as standard, with optional extras allowing for a 5th bed and seatbelt. The clever double-floor design and thoughtful layout really pay off here, because storage is everywhere, which is exactly what you want in a motorhome designed for families or longer trips. At first glance, the layout will feel familiar if you've seen European motorhomes before. There's a drop-down electric bed over the cab, a front lounge that uses the captain's chairs, a centrally located kitchen, a split bathroom, and a rear bedroom with that classic German-style twin-bed setup that converts into one big sleeping area. The real difference, though, is in the details. The materials, finishes, and features are a clear step above what you'd find in more affordable models, with soft close hardware, solid locking systems, centralized kitchen locking, larger tanks, and a general sense that everything has been carefully considered. The kitchen comes nicely equipped right out of the box, with a 3-burner gas cooktop, a gas oven and grill, a large 150-liter fridge with freezer, and a covered round sink. Storage is well thought out, too, with deep drawers, overhead cabinets, and magnetic racks that keep everything tidy and within reach. It's a space that actually feels pleasant to cook in, not just functional. The bathroom follows a popular European split design, with a spacious shower and skylight on one side, and the toilet and sink on the other. A clever door system lets you close off the entire bathroom area for privacy, and there's even a curtain to separate it from the bedroom when needed. It's compact, but smartly laid out and easy to live with. In the rear bedroom, storage continues to impress, with wraparound overhead lockers and illuminated wardrobes at the foot of each bed. Because the beds sit on a raised platform, you also get a huge pass-through garage underneath, rated to carry up to 350 kilograms. It's easily big enough for bulky gear, and it honestly looks like it could handle a scooter without breaking a sweat. Standard equipment includes Truma heating, a 10-liter water boiler, a digital control center with app connectivity, and generous water tanks with 180 liters for fresh water and 150 liters for gray water, which is more than you'll find on many European motorhomes. Air conditioning and a TV aren't standard, but that's pretty normal for this segment in Europe, and both are available as options. Speaking of options, the list is long, from solar panels and extra fans to a swivel-mounted smart TV and that additional 5th bed. All of this adds to the final price, of course, and this is not a cheap motorhome to begin with. Hymer lists the starting price of the 2026 ModernComfort I 680 at €143,800, which works out to roughly $170,000. It's a serious investment, but for those chasing top-tier comfort, smart engineering, and unmistakable European luxury on wheels, this one makes a very strong case.